Oh, did somebody hit a nerve, Bradley? You're all upset making little YouTube videos about me? Truth sucks, don't it, Bradley? You spent all that time you could have been working on your trailer today to put together a video on me. So, anyways, you're a liar. And I expose people like you. And I have no problem exposing people like you because you deserve every bit of it. And for the record, if someone in another country is disrespecting my fellow armed forces, men and women that have served in Iraq and Afghanistan, and are making a mockery of them and say something ignorant, I'm absolutely going to call them a goat fucker. So you're probably a goat fucker. Your wife's probably a goat fucker. I don't know. But if you literally disrespect the armed forces of America, I'm going to call you what you are. And that's most likely what that guy was. And as far as being a racist, that's really interesting because the guy that I sent that message to about American History X was actually a white guy that said he was going to gun me down if I ever came to Detroit, and he was going to sleep me, you know. So, I mean, I guess you could be a white person racist against another white person. That's weird considering, you know, I've had a lot of black people on my show. I have a lot of black friends in my real life. So I'm either a terrible racist, or the people that attack me and post my public information and say they're going to kill me and they're going to kill other people and post their kids and their wives, I'm going to say what has to be said, because whatever disrespect you show towards me, you're going to get shown towards you. So if you don't like it, then don't open your mouth. But I got something special for you, Bradley. You ready? Here we go.
Cost of living for me to make it on my own. So, you know, yes, I do charge projects to come on my channel, but I do not charge them 1 ETH. Don't foresee me ever charging 1 ETH personally. Now, as far as taking payments from tokens or dev teams or something like that, that's something that I'm not going to do. I don't shill things, and I don't get paid for AMA. So what do? You pay to have a high-profile YouTube influencer or other type of influencer to shill your token and do an AMA with them and things of this nature. What you don't know is that they're also having their little secret Patreon groups where they're getting ready to pump and dump now that they've contacted you to set up the shill or the AMA. Been playing with crypto for a few years now. Love it. It's fun. But I think we're all getting tired of getting rugged, right? So that's why I'm here. Call out those people. I think we're getting tired of seeing those shitty price predictions, right? Gets people hyped up, they FOMO buy in, and then they get discouraged when it doesn't happen, right? It's going to drop 3 zeros this weekend. You're going to make a killing. And then it doesn't drop 3 zeros, and you lose money. Right? All right. Well. You can tell he's an extremely racist individual.
slandered my wife. He's probably slandered other women based off of the fact that I have proof of him slandering my wife. I strongly encourage other projects to disassociate with somebody that's a racist and a, sexist and things like that. I think that there's better money spent on people that, are doing right by the community